Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Whisk It Up. Today we are baking a banana bread from home. This banana bread is so good. So the first thing that is obvious is to grease and dust the baking tin. So you're just going to use your pastry brush and smear a lot of margarine in it. Then you're going to sprinkle some flour and then shake it to the max, ensuring that all the flour gets to all the parts of the baking tin. Then you can get rid of the rest. After the baking tin is ready, you're going to put that aside and preheat the oven at 180 degrees and ensuring the heat is coming from the top and bottom, and I set mine at around 40 minutes. It is also advisable to add some water in the oven to retain moisture in the cake. Next, you're going to mix all the dry ingredients and sieve the flour and any other thing that needs to be sieved. This makes sure that the cake is fluffy and airy. After sieving, give it a little mix using a whisk and then set it aside. And we are baking a banana bread, so it's obvious that we will need bananas. So you're going to peel the bananas and then blend those bananas together with the eggs, sugar, and oil. If you do not have a blender, then you can just mash the bananas using a fork, only that it may take long and it may leave some lumps in the cake, banana lumps, which I do not like. As you crack your eggs, please do it one by one. If you do it at once, you may find that one egg is bad and it may ruin the whole batch of the cake. Add the oil in the blender, add sugar, then you're gonna blend that to a paste that is fine like you, my dear viewer. Then you're going to add some vanilla essence, and I also love to add 1 or 2 drops of peppermint flavor. It really elevates the flavor and taste of the cake. Add your flour in 2 or 3 batches. I added mine in 2, and as you fold the flour in, do it gently. Do not overmix, because if you overmix it, it may ruin the outcome of the cake. I also had 2 bars of chocolate. As you can see, they're just small ones, but they bring such a great difference. So you're going to chop it up and then mix it in the cake batter gently again, gently, and for just like 2 minutes or until everything is well incorporated. After that, you're going to transfer it to the baking tin that you have already greased and dusted. Then you're gonna bake it at 180 degrees. Now, because of the shape of the cake, mine took longer, but if you use a wider tin, it will definitely take shorter. So mine took around 1 hour and 10 minutes at 180 degrees. So if you want to know whether your cake is baked, you're just going to insert a knife, and if it comes out clean, then that cake is baked. If it comes out with a paste, a flour paste, just know that the cake is not ready. That is how my cake was looking like. I transferred it to my chopping board and then I let it cool. If you do not have a fridge, then cover the cake, and even if you have a fridge, cover the cake in cling film to avoid the moisture the cake from dehydrating, basically. That is the final outcome. The cake was so good. I loved it. Everyone loved it, and I hope you're gonna try it and let me know when you do. Thank you, subscribe, and bye.